Hello YouTube, this is Alexander again. Today is kind of discovering day because we have some wheeler handle and those handle are perfectly genuine, okay? They are from the manufacturer wheeler, and you can see the writing on the handle is absolutely identical from a handle to another, but those ones are completely genuine, okay? This one is WSP and this one is WP80, okay? And I'm very familiar with those kind of handle because they are very ergonomic and very nice to work with. And but I wanted also those kind of handle which I didn't have actually. So I found a handle on Aliexpress and I just wondered if it kind of it's worth to have it for the price, and this is what we have here. This one is from Aliexpress, and it costs not very expensive compared to allegedly the genuine one, and it's written everywhere on the box that it's built in Germany, and as you can see, this code here is available on internet. If you Google it, you can find exactly this product with this precisely this handle. And if you look some information on it, you can see it's designed and engineered in Germany, and it's made in Mexico, like they usually do, because a lot of wheeler products are made in Mexico. That doesn't mean that it's not a good product, but this is a way to make the cost more effective. And also you can see here the laboratory and the manufacturer, which is based in Germany actually. And you have here the internet address, and you can see that this box is absolutely genuine. So you can wonder if the product inside can be not genuine despite the very nice quality of this box. And we know that Chinese people are very proud to make very similar counterfeits, and I think this is not a counterfeit actually, because this is for me a very nice box. So we have to open this box and see the iron on it. Okay, we have some paper. This paper can indicate some genuine facts. Okay, no, not very interesting. So we have some document here, a book. Okay, we have here WSP80, okay? We have here exactly like it was really a real wheeler handle, okay? Okay, for me, this is when you see some written table de matière, okay, honestly, it seems like a real wheeler actually, okay? So, anyway, we can compare the writing on the handle. It's very nicely made. I think this product is perfect. So, the advertising of this product was saying that there is a tip provided with the handle, but it's not the case, unfortunately. So we have here some tip, and I have this one, and I will put for the test. Okay, it's very easy. You just put your tip like that. Okay, very nice. And those kind of handle are absolutely perfect for long work, okay? It fits perfectly your hand. It's a very, very nice soldering handle, okay? Those one which are the WP80 are more made for CMS and other stuff like this, because the distance between the handle and the chip are shortened, where this one is more longer. We can expect this handle for more classic works actually, but anyway, I think we can do any job you want with this kind of handle. That's not actually a real problem. And I have this one coming from China, and to compare it with a genuine one, we are going to make this one working, which is a absolutely real one coming from my work, and a little wire on the chip like that. Okay, like that. Okay, and we are going to switch on the station. Okay, this is my station, and look this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 seconds to heat up. Okay, which is actually a very nice soldering station and nice handle. Okay, now we are going to disconnect it. Okay, let's put on the cradle, and now we are going, if you want to see this one, okay, it was not prepared like that, but I'm going to show you the WP one, which have a more thick tip, and we're going to see how much time it takes to heat up. Okay, because this one is absolutely genuine, of course. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 seconds. Okay, this handle is actually very, very nice. So let's disconnect this. Okay, now let's test this one coming from China and see if it's a nice handle or not. Okay, just put a little wear on it with this new brand tip, because this handle was advertised with a chip, but actually there is no chip on it, which is a bummer actually. So okay, let's connect this one. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, okay, look like, so it's okay, it's like it's working fine. Okay, okay, let's grab something like that and see if how react this wheeler coming from China. Okay, 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 we'll make a zoom. Okay, look at that. Okay, what do you think about this handle? It's nice or not? This one comes from Aliexpress, and it's absolutely beautiful. Okay, okay, so you can see on this video that this wheeler coming from China is absolutely genuine. Okay, okay, it was Alexander again. I hope you like this video, and until see you soon.